PWC is going to hire freshers, but the procedure to apply here is a bit different. That's why I will guide you in this video how to apply. This job location is Bangalore. There is maximum job in Bangalore. Only one job location is in Kolkata. Now, here's a tip to speed up the process. Having a referrer can be a game changer. If you know someone within PWC, that's fantastic. If not, don't worry. I'll show you how to leverage LinkedIn to increase your chances of getting a referrer. Another way to get job in PWC is project. If you have very good project, then you got job. You must have open source and personal project. Another avenue to explore is showcasing your projects. PWC values individuals with exceptional projects, especially those involving open source and personal initiatives. Make sure to highlight your achievements in these areas to stand out from the crowd. Also, there is an office joint here for those who want to train. Take a look. I'm giving the link in the description. Go and check out as soon as you can. If you are talking about PWC, then PWC is a Big Four company. There are many people who get chance here. And also your package as benefits in this company will start from 6 lakhs and more. Don't forget to explore the links in the description for additional information. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more career tips and job-related content. Best of luck with your PWC application, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.